Hey guys, this is Coach Tadrian from Martial Arts Spirit. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to tie your belt properly. So we have two types of belts. We have our shorter single tie belt and we have our longer double tie belt. I'll be teaching you guys how to tie both of them. So starting off with our single tie belt. So first of all, find the middle, place it on your back, wrap it around once, tie it just once. Make sure you fix your uniform. Make sure you go all the way over and do another double tie. Make sure both sides are nice and even. So after you've tied your belt, just make sure both sides are nice and even, doesn't hang too low, and make sure you can see the three separate sides to your belt. So as you look down, you should see 1, 2, and 3 sides. Alright, so now our longer double tie belt. So with our longer double tie ones, make sure you find the middle just like before, place it on your belly button, wrap it around once, and make sure the bottom part is tucked under your belt. And then same as before, right over left, pull it nice and tight, make sure you fix your uniform, and then do one more double tie. Pull it nice and tight, make sure it hangs down nice and evenly, and you've got your 3 sides as well. So just like before, make sure you have the 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. So if you have your name on your black belt, you normally put it on your left side. So the reason we do that is because your heart is on the left and your name is also on the left side. Thank you for watching this video on how to tie your belt. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.